There was a moment where everything shifted for me. I realized I wasn't struggling because I was misaligned. I was struggling because the systems I was living inside were not designed to support coherence. And that changes everything. Because if the structure itself interrupts feedback, if it prevents you from recognizing your own movement, then of course you start doubting yourself. Not because you are incapable, but because your signal is being overridden. My work used to focus on how we move toward coherence. Now it asks a different question. What happens when that movement is blocked? What happens to agency, to perception, to trust? This is where living systems come from. It's not self-development, it's not theory, it's a way of seeing and restoring how human beings actually function inside systems. The first edition is available now. If it resonates, step in. If it doesn't, that's clarity too.